That's our summer camp.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Dude, paddle or the kayak?
For me?
No, these girls are my daughter and my wife are my favorite people.
Have they ever done it before?
I mean casually. Just casually.
We do have an incoming tide. We got some winds today.
No, I mean like person.
Oh, the person?
We're just gonna
It's crazy, huh? So, the most impressive thing, Aaron, who's coming over here, probably say hi, who's the owner of this company. He wrangles all those kids and keeps them all safe at the same time. What's going on, Aaron? What, wind? Who wants to be the first one? We'll come over here. You want to be first? All right, I'll make some room for you.
You want to ride
Are you
together?
going to the single or tandem? Tandemonium. All right, so we will have to walk out in the water just a little bit here. Who's stronger between you two? Are you sure, man? I believe you. I trust you. So, I find, by all means, do it any way you want except head first, but I find the easiest way to get in and out of these kayaks is to sit down, butt first, like you're sitting in a chair, over. By all means, even if you want to swan dive inside of it.
set them on.
Alright, that was perfect, man. You really put the pressure on for everyone else. That was great stuff. You, sir, I don't know. Alright, that was perfect. Too. Round of applause, guys.
Nice.
Don't worry. Your family might not be as supportive, but I'll be supportive.
You all want to go?
Yeah, oh, Justin's supportive. Look at us.
It doesn't matter.
Alright, y'all can just vibe around.
I don't think it's a
out there.
factor.
We'll slowly start working our way south. Which will be to our right. Thank you, guys. Who's next, man? Perfect. Thank you very much. There's your paddle. Who's next? Who's next?
Marco. These two
You guys, you got your tool right there?
Yep.
That one's meant for you. Alright, so leave one of these right first. Maybe.
Yeah, you guys
So who's stronger out here?
But she wants up front so she can see everything, don't you, baby?
Yeah. I only asked that to be nice. Like the shirt.
Sure.
I actually got to see them 2 years ago. Perfect.
Yeah, fact.
But yeah, that'll be fine. Unless you're expecting to flip.
Not expecting to.
You miss, your paddle be orientated like so.
Huh? Hey, there's Jerry. Everybody turn around and look at me and smile.
Like this, I came back, they went in the truck, ripped the bag open, ate at a little bit of each bagel and even cracked open the tub of cream cheese and ate out of there.
Yeah, it's like shin deep.
What is it?
Spelled like the haircut, M-U-L-L-E.
Okay.
Wow. Just went quick, didn't it? Another week.
Yeah.
Stay. Fly back. The rest of the drive back. They don't have them playing ball?
Yeah,
Filming
yeah,
myself.
I felt it. Like something
over there.
weird.
It's just probably like some seaweed or something.
Seaweed's like stringy though. That's like soft.
It's like a bird.
Add a little bit and I'll film. Well, you're pedaling us right. Did I lose my shoes? I think I lost my shoes.
Did you?
Yeah. No, I'm over the video. You can't take a second off the video anyways. What kind of birds are those? The lady that tipped us over put them there.
At least you did something, right?
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys all so much.
Thank you.
What's your name again? Matt. Yeah, and if you want it, like you said, I can give you my phone number. If you got any questions
Yeah.
around here,
Yeah, before we leave. I know you're busy right now.
wherever you're done watching.
What was that?
Dude, I got sand all in me.
Like a manatee just barks or something. I don't suppose y'all have any Canstola, do you?
Nope.
I got some. What do you need? There's 22. There's 22.
Wet bag does indeed work. Run down there and do a tip. Huh? Run down there and give him a tip. What's this? Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for being a great group.
Thank you.
Give me a whole lot of laughs.